Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Ruggles. This is a recorded computer literacy lesson for September 12th. Welcome, everybody. All right, so for the next few minutes, here is our agenda. I'm going to go over a course calendar check so you know where we're at and where we're headed. I'm going to do a quick introduction of Unit 2 and show you your Unit 2 resources so you can be successful. All right, taking a look at the calendar, we're in the week of September 11th through the 15th. We wrapped up Unit 1 last week and started Unit 2, so we're in the middle of doing Unit 2. If you look in the course plan, you'll notice that all this week are Unit 2 lessons, with the exception of today is watching this recording or attending our live class. So make sure you're following the course plan as we get through into next week. The Unit 2.14 test will be on Wednesday the 20th, and then we start Unit 3 next week. So next week's class we'll probably be playing Book It and getting ready for the test, and then or introducing Unit 3. So what to do this week? You are completing Unit 2 lessons, right? Follow the course plan. Make sure you're doing the lessons according to the plan so it doesn't back up on you and you're staying on track. And then I've also posted some videos in this week's announcement. There are videos that go along with what you're learning in the lessons, but they're fun videos to show you real life what word would I use? Practical experience or whatever of how this information is used in the real world. Okay, next week will be a Unit 2 test, and then we'll start Unit 3. Make sure you're checking out the weekly announcement. I have it up for this week, what to complete in computer literacy for the week of September 11th through the 15th. I have outlined what you should be doing this week. I have, let me highlight it. So what you should be doing this week is roughly in this area. And then I have the Book It link as it's a study guide game for Unit 2 in this area. And then I have all the videos. There's like 4 or 5 of them. They're not required, but they're fun videos to see how the things we're learning are used in real world applications. So I suggest you watch those. They're all short, 4 to 5 minutes or so. But make sure you're checking the class announcements each week. I generally post them on Mondays, sometime during Monday. All right, just kind of a quick overview of the videos I have. So I have one video with the link in the announcements that's talking about how does the internet work. Another video about networking and how the computers are kind of networked together and hooked up together. Another video of how search engines work. And my favorite, this is my favorite. If you don't watch any of them, watch this one. Connecting the World. It shows you how the world is connected through cables. There's so many cables that they've put throughout the oceans. It's really interesting. So watch that one. And then a quick video about security and privacy on the internet, how to keep yourself safe and all that good stuff. So make sure you watch those. All the links are in the class announcement. All right, so after completing all your lessons for Unit 2, 2.1 through 2.14, I've created a study guide for you in the form of a Book It game, just like we did for Unit 1. So the link to the Book It game is in the class announcements. You probably could use the QR code on the screen if you want. You certainly don't have to type in that link that's on there because the link is in the class announcements. It's the class announcement for September 11th through the 15th. Right, and this is a study guide for Unit 2, the Unit 2 test, the 2.14 test, and it's open until the end of the semester, so you can always use the study guide because you have until, I believe, January 12th to take this test or retake it if you want. Okay, reminder, you can take each test up to 3 times, right? So if you don't like the score the first time, go back and study and then take it again. Only the highest score will count, so if for some reason you did worse the second time, you don't need to worry about that. Only the highest score counts. All right, the last announcement, Unit 2 only has a unit test, the 2.14. We do not have a graded assignment in this unit. So like I say, you are very welcome. But there are 2 assignments in Unit 3. So anyways, only the test for Unit 2, no graded assignment. All right, that is it. That's just an overview of Unit 2. Make sure you guys are following the course plan, go through your lessons, and then we will chat next week and prepare for the unit test and get ready for Unit 3. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you next week.